Welcome to the Growth Lab podcast, the only B2B sales podcast with proven strategies, tools and tactics for selling into construction, FM and property management. I'm your host Matt Harris, and the creator behind The Growth. This episode is all about discipline and how to apply it to sales. Discipline is having a mindset and the ability to get things done no matter what. Whenever we have a goal, we need to put in the work. To put in the work, we need to be able to overcome our impulses. The ability to act despite the temptation not to, that's discipline. Reaching your goals requires discipline, one of the most important skills required to be successful. To be successful in sales, you need to develop sales discipline. I've never been a natural at sales. When I launched my cleaning business, it was a skill I had to develop. That meant stepping out of my comfort zone and taking action. Every day I focused on the most important sales activities: prospecting, cold calls and emails, and following up. Over time, these actions allowed me to develop core disciplines that help me succeed in sales today. 1. The discipline of prospecting. Discipline makes all the difference when it comes to prospecting. Developing this discipline gives me more opportunities at bat. I improve with every cold call. Over time, my results do as well. In the long run, your sales results are a product of your prospecting. Make prospecting a daily discipline. Always build your pipe. 2. The discipline of nurturing. Landing your tier 1 prospects takes time. Top 20 fit out and refurbishment contractors use existing waste carriers on their supply chain. My focus is building and nurturing relationships that end up creating an opening. That means leading with value in all my interactions. Opportunities arise when you practice the discipline of nurturing. 3. The discipline of following up. I learned early on that you cannot win new business with a one and done approach. You have to follow up on your leads. Following up as many times as necessary to progress the sale. Now, following up is a habit. I have daily time blocks in my calendar for follow-up work. The discipline of following up doubles your chances of contacting a lead and progressing or closing a sale. Remember, the money is in the follow-up. Always follow up. 4. The discipline of personal development. I committed to learning after starting my cleaning business. Reading, studying, taking notes. Infrequently at first, but over the years, I've turned learning into a discipline. Now, I spend 10 to 15 hours every week learning from my role. I invest time and money to improve the most valuable asset I have, me. The more I invest, the more I'm able to contribute, and the better my sales results become. The discipline of personal development helps you grow and become the best version of yourself. These 4 disciplines enable me to take 100% responsibility for the outcomes I produce, good or bad. They help me maintain progress towards the goals I have set for myself. To develop your sales discipline, ask yourself, is prospecting a discipline or something that I do sporadically? How do I nurture my tier 1 prospects? Do I follow up on all my leads? If so, how often? And what are the main components of my personal development plan? If you enjoyed this episode of the Growth Lab podcast, make sure you hit that follow button on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, or hit that subscribe button on YouTube to get early access to the next episode. And if you want weekly B2B sales tips sent directly to your inbox, make sure you subscribe to the Growth Lab newsletter on Substack via the link in the episode description. Until next time, stay grinding.